Hello guys, welcome to Ramp Hobbies, and today it's unboxing time. So we are going to unbox this Bandai Kamen Rider Revice DX Driver. So as you know guys, we are a fan of Kamen Rider. As you can see in our logo, this is Red Eye Shukaranai mask from Beyblade, and this one is Kamen Rider 01
from Kamen Rider.
We actually have what's the name? A helmet from Kamen Rider 01. You can actually wear this one. Look, there you go. But we are just using this one occasionally and on display. So let's remove this one here.
Or we can
So we actually unboxed the weapon of Kamen Rider Revice last time, because this actually came earlier than the DX driver, which is, to be honest, a little bit weird, but we cannot do anything about it. And let's continue with our unboxing video. So let's look at the box first. As you can see, this is Kamen Rider Revi and Vice. Is that right?
Revi this one, Vice this one.
Okay, so this is the DX driver, and this is the one you are using to stamp, right? Stamp, and then you will have different. I'm not sure what to call this. I'm not sure. Just let me know in the comment section below, because we actually haven't watched the show yet, but we are planning to, of course, just like we did in Kamen Rider 01 and also ZO. We actually skipped what's the Kamen Rider with the swords?
Kamen Rider Saber.
Yes, that's one. We skipped that one, and we actually returned on watching and buying stuff from the Kamen Rider series on this new series.
I like Kamen Rider Revice even than Kamen Rider Saber. I only asked.
So this is the back of the box. So what you're going to do is stamp this one here, and then you can put it here, and then you can we will just show you.
Same as here.
Yes,
you can stamp it.
Okay, so you can do that, and then this will rotate actually. There you go.
Yeah.
So we will do this number 1, number 2, number 3, and 4. No, we don't have extra this like. Okay, so without further ado, where is the sad Pac-Man? There you go. Sad Pac-Man! So we are going to use cutter and scissors, and as we always say, warning, extremely dangerous.
Not for kids.
Yes.
But for
when using any sharp objects, make sure you have your parents with you, or you have an adult supervision, because these are really sharp and you might get hurt.
3, 2, 1. Henshin!
Henshin!
Okay.
We were not able to buy the 50th anniversary set,
3,
so
2,
we actually
1,
bought this and the weapon. And also, we also bought the toys.
Yeah.
These two. And I think you can actually... Yeah, this one! You can make it a T-Rex.
This one turns into this one.
And again,
that's why they add remix, because
that's a little bit delayed. So there you go.
Open it,
Okay, hold on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo!
By the way, where's the figures? Where's my favorite?
No. The figures are still on its way. Oh man, this is really cool.
Alright.
Is this the same as the one with that?
Yes, I
Can
know.
I see? Oh no, it's actually different. So we can use this here. Hold on.
Okay.
And
let's try.
why is it there? Is there really paint like this? Hold on.
Yes. Maybe they accidentally.
Is that the...
Wait, I know. Maybe the one that.
Let me see here. Is that a design or?
Wait, I know.
I'm new.
They must be. Maybe they accidentally painted it. Oh, cool.
Oh man, let's go.
Cool.
Okay.
Really cool.
Oh, the driver is actually small.
Try this. Where?
because we have the driver of 01 and ZO, and this is very small compared to those two. Of course, these are the belt.
Can I try it? Can I try this one? I tried here. Okay. Here.
Okay, hold on.
Cool.
So maybe the color of the recent Kamen Rider is subjective.
What's the
But we actually, me personally, I like the color. So this is how it works. Hold on, is this already turned on?
You are going to need batteries more than just
This
turning
already have a
that
battery.
on only.
So first thing to do is we will
Stamp
stamp
it.
this. Oh, no. Do you need to press this first?
Yes.
Okay, stamp. Come on!
Here's the feelings of original.
Rex. Then you will put this here, right? Hold on, I will hold this. Then you do the... Go!
Oh my god!
Why is it not working? You didn't need to press this. Rex!
Wait,
Can you...
like this.
Rex! Rex!
Like that.
There you go. No, hold on. I think...
There's no
Hold on.
battery.
Yeah, that's why. Hold on, I'll just check our batteries for this one. That's why it's not working. Hold on.
Oh.
Okay guys, so we are back. I actually forgot that the battery is not included in the DX driver. So let's turn it on. There will be some lights here. And then I already put this one. You can wear this, but an adult cannot fit in this
Yes.
in this belt.
It's only up to 3 years
Okay,
old.
so we will now show you how it works. So go, let's do it. Stamp.
First, second, third,
Come here, Rex.
fourth,
Come on, Rex. Oh, there you
and
go.
lastly,
Go. No. It was removal then. Ah!
whoa!
So guys, you can now see what's inside this DX driver. Hold on.
Oh, what have you done?
Oh, look. That's
Oh,
how
okay.
it's working.
Oh!
Okay.
It's sliding right there. Sliding.
Oh, no, let
Don't
me-
touch it. It will make you zap. Just like on Kirby Star
Oh,
Allies.
no.
Zap sword.
There's actually a guide here.
I got it.
Should be
So
here, okay.
adults can fix that one.
Of
Cool,
course.
right, Rohan?
Ah! Oh man, did we broke this in the unboxing video?
I think I pulled. I
No,
think
no.
you break. I think you.
There's a guide here, so it should be here.
Not there.
Hold on, guys. We'll just figure this out.
Yes, pause the video.
No, it's okay. So let's turn it on off first.
Oh.
Okay.
Ooh.
So here is how it will
Ah.
work. Stamp first. Then after that, you will put this one here. Oh, why is it not?
Off.
No, it's actually turned on. There you go. Hold on, let me do it first this time. Ah, no!
I thought.
We broke it! Oh man! Oh, no. It's already fixed. Okay,
Let's
I think that's
try.
that. Hold on. Okay, there you
Get
go.
ready to be...
Oh man, this is the worst unboxing of Kamen Rider Revice DX Driver.
Yes!
Worst unboxing ever. Anyway, let's show this also.
Let's skip.
Is this...
Let's
Okay.
skip and move on.
Oh man. I wanted to try this one. Stamp. Then you can put this one here, right?
No, not
How?
like that. Like
Oh.
that.
Wow!
Ooh, rainbow colors. Cool.
Okay. How about the axe? Oh, no, you need
Oh,
to
yeah.
press this, right? Hold on. So, stamp.
Ash bye.
Then, like this. Okay, guys. So, I think that's all for our worst unboxing video of the Kamen Rider Revice DX Driver. Like the video, comment below on if you agree with us that this is the worst unboxing video of the Kamen Revice DX Driver. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet.
Daddy, that's not yet. We're
Yes.
going to show our moves how this one happened.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Get